Welcome to the channel Naturopathy Cure and Healing. I am Dr. Bala Kant Jha, practicing naturopathy since last 6 years. I have cured thousands of patients from asthma, and today's topic is asthma introduction, symptoms, cause and treatment. Asthma is very painful disease. It is not cured easily. In this disease, the air is trapped in the passage of the small bronchi, which becomes clogged and constricted with mucus or cup, making it difficult for the patient to breathe. There are attacks of asthma which may last from half an hour to more depending on the magnitude of attack and the build of the patient. Weak patient suffers most, while the healthy and gale people bear the brunt of asthma with lesser difficulty. Symptoms: an asthmatic attack begins when the person suffers from cough, cold and fever. Asthma begins when the bronchial tubes in the lungs become constricted. Constricted means narrow. Actually, asthma gives enough notice to the patient, but the patient did not heed the notice and go on with life. He is allergic to many things in the atmospheres he lives in and suffers a seasonal change when he falls ill due to allergic symptoms, but gets cured with little use of medicines. His appetite is high and has accumulated lot of foreign and morbid matter in the large intestine. He gradually gets to wet without any concrete reason, which he considers his health is getting better. When he sleeps, he uses to produce whizzing sound, which he does not know, but it is very difficult for those who sleep near him, as he produces lot of noise. As the tubes having become narrow, the inhaled air becomes trapped in the tiny air sacs at the end of the tubes, making the release of the breath very difficult. The whizzing sound identified with the asthma is produced by the air being pushed through the narrow bronchi. The starting of asthma is either slow or abrupt. The all at once attacking is often preceded by a spell of coughing, which may be associated with itching of the chin, the back of the neck or the chest. When the attack is mild, it is generally caused by respiratory infection. A major attack causes an increase in heartbeat and respiratory rates, and the patient feels restless and tired. There may be coughing, tightness in the chest, profuse sweating and vomiting. There may be abdominal pain if the coughing is acute. Causes. There are many factors by which asthma occurs. The first cause is constipation, which is chronic and subdued by the medicines at the interval of time. For many, it is an allergic condition resulting from the reaction of the system to the weather, food, drug, perfumes, and other irritants, which may vary with different individuals. Asthma patient is allergic to dust and it is a common symptom. Some persons are sensitive to the various forms of dust like cotton dust, wheat dust, animal hair, fungi and insects, especially cockroaches. Quite often, asthma is precipitated by a combination of allergic and non-allergic factors, including emotional tension, air pollution, infections, and hereditary factors. The tussle in the family due to finance and supremacy is also affects the asthmatic person a lot. The wariness, when it does not reach to solution, is allergies too. Sometimes it has been observed that a person trapped in summer storm inhales lots of dust, and due to foreign matter and morbid matter in the body, this dust laden with bacterial air reacts with the person's lung quickly. By the time he reaches his home, taken to granted by the asthma. Treatment for acute and subacute patient. Modern medical system has not been able to find a cure for asthma. Drugs and vaccines have only limited value in alleviating symptoms. Most of medicines are for habit forming and their dosage have to be increased from time to time to give same amount of relief. The frequent introduction of drugs of different make with different formula make the patient habitual and resistant to the drugs which give the patient temporary relief tends to make asthma chronic and incurable. The natural way to treat asthma consists of improving the functioning of the slack excretory organs, adopting appropriate diet patterns to eliminate morbid matter and to strengthen the lungs, digestive system and circulatory organs. The natural way to treat asthma consists of improving the functioning of the slack excretory organ, adopting appropriate diet pattern to eliminate morbid matter and to strengthen the lungs, digestive system and circulatory organs. The stomach should always be kept clean by taking enema. One should not worry or have mental tension. For breakfast, he should take only warm water with honey and lemon juice. Before sunset, he should take a light meal of fruits. He should not take water while taking meal. He should take water after 2 hours of taking meal. He should keep away from smoke and bad air. Every day he should sit in the sun and at that time massage his chest with mustard oil. The patient should fast once a week and in the evening he should put chest pack on his chest. This is enough to cure an ordinary asthma. In my next session, I shall discuss the treatment of chronic asthma in detail. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this video to see more videos like this in time to come.